Hello and welcome to all. My name is Shailendra Yadav. Today I am going to discuss about a concept which is indefinite integration. Right. So what is indefinite integration? Indefinite integration is a reverse process of a differentiation. Consider d upon dx fx is equal to gx. Right. So what is the integration of this one? Gx dx is equal to fx plus c, right? So this function comes out output of integration, and the output of differentiation is the input of a integration, right? For more clear, simply, what is the differentiation of d upon dx sine of x? Clearly cos of x, right? What is the differentiation of cos of x is equal to minus of sine x? So we can say what is the integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus c, and integration of this one sin of x dx is equal to plus of cos of x plus c. So simply we can say it is the reverse process of a differentiation, right? So there are several formula which is used for the integration. Say sin of x dx is equal to minus cos of x plus c, cos of x is equal to plus sin of x, tan of x ln sec x plus c, cot of x is equal to ln sin x plus c, sec x is equal to ln sec x plus tan x plus c. These formula mentioned in each and every books, right? So no need to write down all formulas, right? Now comes to the square of a sine square x, right? So what is the sec square x? Sec square x, integration of this one is tan x, because of the derivative differentiation of tan x is equal to what? Sec square x. So simply the inner function of sec square, integration of inner function is equal to tan x, right? And cosec square x is equal to minus cot of x plus c. So these are the very basic formula. When algebraic given in integration, then what will you do? Simply x dx is equal to, what is the power of x? 1. What is the number in denominator? 1. So just increase by 1 and divide by same number, right? Simply x power 4 is equal to increase by 1 5 and divide by the same number, right? So simply we are coming to generalize x की power n dx is equal to x की power n plus c, right? But when these things in a denominator, then what will you do? 1 upon x is equal to x की power minus 1, right? And integration of this one is x की power minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Wrong. This one is the wrong. So it's a standard formula which is ln x. But when x square x cube, then we can say use this format, right? So x की power minus 2 dx is equal to x की power minus 2 plus 1, which is simply minus 1 upon minus 1. So this is our integration, right? If quadratic given in a denominator, then what will you do, right? So simply this is the formula of tan inverse x, tan of x plus a, right? If x square plus 4, then what is the answer? 1 upon 2, the square root of 4 is 2, and tan inverse x square root of 4 is 2, right? In the same pattern, what is the integration of this one? 1 upon 2a. This one is the another formula, ln x minus a, x plus a, y minus 1 here plus 1 here, because x comes first in alphabetical order. Generally x come in a last comparing to a, right? In general talk, minus comes last and plus come first. So here follow same order. Here x come first means there is the disorder. It means minus come first, then a. If this one is minus, this one is plus, then this one is the orders good. It means plus will come first and minus will come last, right? How many questions can you solve? Infinitely many questions can you solve, just changing the variables. Simply x4 replaced by 9, 100 and 1 by 4, whatever you want, just real number put and corresponding you will get your answer, right? It's simple. Now comes to the another format, which is what is the coefficient of x in this formula? Simply 1. But when a comes coefficient of x means 1 is replaced by a of coefficient x, then what will your answer of all the formats? Simply f a x plus b. The integration of this one is suppose gx, right? So what is the here variable? Whatever is given as it is right here, ax plus b, and what is the coefficient of x? A. Simply divide, right? We can say what is the integration of 2x plus 3 sin x dx. What is the integration of sin x? Simply minus cos whatever is given 2x plus 3, right? And what is the coefficient of x? Clearly 2, so divided by 2. So whatever coefficient of x is given, use the standard form and divided by the coefficient of x, right? This one is also solved by substitution method. Say cos of 2x plus 3, right? And this one is integration. What is the integration of this one? Simply put 2x plus 3 is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt. This one is constant term means 0. The differentiation of 3 is 0. And this one is the what? As a constant comes out from here. Simply 2. It goes to in opposite side in a denominator, simply 2. So whole system, this one is the in the form of x, so whole system, whole the function converted into the dt, right? So here cos of t and dx is replaced by dt by 2, right? So what is the integration of this one? Simply sin of t, right? This one is the constant of which comes out, and plus c, and t is replaced by what? Sin of 2x plus 3. T is replaced by 2x plus 3 simply here, and this one is the coefficient, which is already I have studied. Whatever coefficient is given of x, it comes into the denominator, right? And all system or whole system is treat as a standard form, right? So now comes to another format, which is if quadratic is given in a denominator. Simply, now what is the integration of this one? Simply ln x plus x square minus a square plus c, right? If this one is plus, means this one is plus, there is no change. But if a square minus a square and square root, then what will be your integration? Simply sine inverse x upon a plus c, which is mentioned in each book, right? So no need to worry. Here what is the coefficient of x square? Simply 1. So there is no need to divide by 1. If minus c is here, then this integration converted into the cos inverse x. If dx, this one is x square minus a square. So what is the integration of this one? This one is x outside and this one is inside and as a x square. Then x comes out. The whole system is representing as a x square, right? So if here is 2 x की power 2 feels like x की power 2, then a automatically comes in a denominator. And what is the difference integration of this one? Simply it's a simple formula of sec inverse what x, right? So we can just changing the variables, coefficient, numbers, can create infinitely many questions and solve out. Thanks for watching.